Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're watching this. This is Dan and this is Dan Tech Channel. In this video, let's just talk about the zero interest voucher. If you've been using Binance actually for some time, maybe you have received that notification tells you that you have to redeem this voucher, maybe 500 BUSD, 1150 and all that. So what does that mean actually? Why are they giving you that? The reason and the question that you can just be asking yourself about that zero interest voucher right over there. This is what I'm going to be answering in this question as we demonstrate and as I show you what you can just do with it and how to just redeem it. All you can just do is just one thing. You have to click down one of their words, just written subscribe. You just subscribe over there, turn on notification, and don't forget to like this video. If you have any question that you want me to answer more about the Binance, then you can just comment down one over there. Let's get started right now. Now, if you have Binance actually and just go to the reward center, or maybe if you have received notification on the notification area, when the moment you actually go to the reward center, you see something like this that is zero interest, and you can see actually 500 BUSD expiring date at this time. So I have 7 days to redeem this one. And that, what does this mean? So all you just have to do is see the condition: please transfer collateral after activating the voucher to enjoy interest free borrowing amount of the BUSD within the valid time. So you can see we have already redeemed by clicking that. So you have successfully activated 500 BUSD zero interest loan privileges. Okay, so what does this mean? This means that we can actually trade on the margin, and then we trending on the margin. Let's just show you. Let's just go even to the trend, because this is going to take us to the the margin. So you have actually to know this about the Binance, that you can actually borrow loan and then you can actually pay that loan later. So all you can just actually do right over here, as you can see, hourly interest, this amount of money that you have to pay, borrowed money, borrowed maximum borrowed amount, this is it, and that is what you can actually just do right over here. And just very easy over here. Let's just confirm those BUSD 0.6 BUSD. Let's see how much is amount is this in Kenya shillings. BUSD. I see the loan. I think this amount is the smallest amount, but what the condition is here is that you have actually to transfer the collateral. That means you have to have your own amount of money for you to trade right over here. Let me just click like confirm borrow over here, request borrow. Your balance has been updated, and it's just easy like that. So all you just have to do to start trading on zero BUSD interest rate over here, you just have to go to trend and then you just click margin. So when we are trending on the margin over here, it means that we are going to have the zero interest rate actually when we are borrowing money, because on the margin over here you can actually borrow some money to trade right over here from the Binance, but you have to pay the interest rate over there. So what it means is that we can just borrow up to 500 BUSD, and then we can trade. The payment will actually be zero interest rate. Okay, the interest rate will just be that one. So the first thing that you just start with over here is zero trading fee on this BTC pair, but let's select another pair over here. You can actually select different pairs to trade right over here, like let me just BTC BUSD. Let's see. So you can see I have some balances of BUSD over here, and I just have to do, they are very small actually. They cannot even buy Bitcoin. There. So I'm going to be clicking buy, 0 BUSD right over there. So what you can just do over here, because you don't have all money, you have to actually transfer the collateral. You have to have at least some amount of money for you to come right over here and then the trend. So you have to click transfer. If you have money on the fiat, then you just have to transfer it to the cross margin, and then you can now borrow amount of money. And then you can see on the borrow trend, after transferring, select borrow mode before placing a margin order. Loans and automatically completed when the order is successfully placed, whether or not the order is failed. So this is normal. You buy and you click, let me just log in. So the moment you actually buy the crypto using the normal, that you just be using your own money. But when you click borrow, you just have actually traded with the borrowed amount of money, and then maybe after making profit and all that, you can decide to come over here and then you just repay your balance. But remember, because it was just free, that remember the only thing that you just be right over here is that the interest rate actually will just be free if you borrow between minimum of 500 BUSD. That is maximum that you are given right over there. So this is simple and simple. 500 BUSD, 0 interest rate. That is what means that you can borrow on the margin and then trade at a 0 interest fee. But if you don't have a 0 interest fee, then remember that you are going to incur you are going to incur interest rate when you are just actually borrowing money. And when you borrow that, remember you just be charged some amount of money, either in days, hourly, as we saw previously before entering to this area. So that is just very easy. Or now you just do that, you will just be given to redeem. You can redeem over if you just maybe train on margin right over here. So that is it, very simple right over there. See you next time. If you love this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.